In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an image to the back in Google Slides. We've all been there. You're working on a Google Slides presentation and you've finally positioned your images so they look just right on the slide. But then you need to rearrange them, perhaps to bring more focus to a text or another important element. So how do you send that image to the back without dismantling the entire slide? Let's dive into this straightforward process. First, make sure your Google Slides presentation is open and the slide you're working on is visible. If your presentation isn't open yet, head to Google Drive, find your presentation, and click to open it. Once you're in, locate the slide with the images you want to rearrange. Now, select the image that you wish to send backward. You can do this by simply clicking on the image. You'll notice a thin blue box with small squares at each corner surrounding the image, confirming that your image is selected. Now, on the top menu bar of your screen, look for the Arrange option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various alignment options. Among these, you will see options that include Order. Hover over Order, and a secondary menu will pop out, offering a selection that includes Bring to Front, Bring Forward, Send Backward, and of course, Send to Back. What you want is the Send to Back option. Clicking on Send to Back will move your selected image behind all the other elements on your slide, allowing you to prioritize the visibility of text or any other items in front. This organization can be particularly useful if you want to display a background image. Let's wrap this process with a small tip. If you find yourself repeatedly making errors, or if the image is not positioning as expected, use the Undo button located on the menu bar or press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard for quick troubleshooting. This action will revert any step you want to redo without starting from scratch. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with arranging elements in Google Slides, the more intuitive it will become. Try experimenting with different layers and elements on your slide to see what creative arrangements you can come up with. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to bring more dynamism to your presentations by sending images to the back in Google Slides. I hope this guide was helpful. Practice, explore, and don't hesitate to get creative. That's all for now, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorial. Happy presenting!